Hey everybody! iOS 17 is currently out in beta right now and has a great new way to help you find your Apple Watch. So I thought I'd update my How to Find My Apple Watch video to include this great new feature. I'll also be going over all of the other traditional ways to find your Apple Watch just in case you're not running iOS 17 when you're watching this video. So let's get to it. This new way to help you find your Apple Watch only works in Bluetooth range of your Apple Watch, which is up to 10 meters or 30 feet and requires your iPhone to be running iOS 17 or newer. So it's great for helping you find your Apple Watch around the house. There's a great new feature that adds a Ping My Watch button to your iPhone's control center. This does not impact the Find My features of Apple Watch and is a separate feature. To add this button to Control Center to use, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Control Center. Then scroll down to the More Controls section and look for Ping My Watch. Tap the green plus button to add it to the included controls list above. Now when you go to Control Center by swiping down from the top right, you'll have the Ping My Watch button. Just tap it and your Apple Watch will make this sound to help you locate it. This is a really handy, welcome feature to help you locate your Apple Watch around the house. I've already used it when I lost my watch in the couch cushions the other day. If you don't have iOS 17, or rather not use Control Center, then there are still multiple ways to help you find your Apple Watch. If you lost it around the house, or in Bluetooth range of your iPhone, you can simply ask Siri to find your Apple Watch and she will ping it for you. It makes the same sound the iPhone makes when you ping it from your Apple Watch. So if you lost it between the couch cushions or somewhere around the house, it's probably the easiest way to find your Apple Watch. However, if that method isn't working, or you don't have an internet connection to use Siri, you can use a variation of the old haptic feedback method to get your Apple Watch to make a sound to help you find it. Go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. On the main My Watch tab, go down and tap Sounds and Haptics. The third option down says Haptic Alerts. Every time you switch this option on or off, it makes your Apple Watch ping like you got a text message. This method will only work if your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone via Bluetooth, so it's a good one for around the house or if it's not too far from you. And lastly, of course, there is the Find My app. This is great to use if you're not sure where you left it, especially if you think it was at a friend's place or somewhere away from home. This one can also be run from not only your iPhone, but pretty much any computer through iCloud.com. First, we'll go over how to use the Find My app on your iPhone. On your iPhone, run the Find My app and go to the Devices tab at the bottom. This will bring up a list with a map of all your Apple devices that can be tracked like AirPods, Macs, iPads, and your iPhone. On the list, choose your Apple Watch. If it has an active internet connection through either Wi-Fi or cellular, then it should show you where it is on a map and might even provide an address. One thing to bear in mind is that the address and exact location may not be completely correct all the time, as it triangulates the position based on Wi-Fi networks and possibly cellular phone towers, depending on your Apple Watch model. When I use this feature on my Apple Watch at home, it often says it's one street over, but at least that should help jog your memory to help you find it. If you've lost it, you can remotely lock your Apple Watch and put it in lost mode. To do this, scroll down and tap the Activate link under Mark as Lost. Then it will take you to a screen that explains to you what will happen, that your watch will be locked, notify you if found, and even let you leave a message for the person that finds it if the watch can receive messages. Scroll to the bottom and choose Continue. You can choose to enter a contact number for the person who finds your Apple Watch. In this example, I'll use a generic number, 647-555-2424, then tap Next when finished, and you can enter the message for the person who finds it. Then when finished, tap Next. This brings you to the screen to verify everything. Then press Activate when ready. Now your Apple Watch will be locked and whoever finds your Apple Watch will see the message and number you left. When you find it, just put it on and press Unlock. Then tap in your passcode. In the Find My app, you will then be prompted to verify you found it by verifying your Apple ID. I found that this was a required step to allow my debit and credit cards to work again with Apple Pay. If you've lost your Apple Watch and it has sensitive information on it, you can also erase the device remotely by choosing Erase this device. The Find My app also offers the option to manually ping your Apple Watch the way Siri does for you, and also gives you the option to get directions to the location of your Apple Watch if you're not sure how to get there. The Find My app is quite powerful and very useful. You can also use all the same functions using the Find My iPhone app through logging into your iCloud.com account on iCloud.com. Once logged in, just choose the Find iPhone option. Then, in the center of the header, where it says All Devices, click it and choose your Apple Watch. And now, if you have a Mac that shares the same iCloud account as your Apple Watch, you can use the Find My Mac app as well. So there's lots of ways to access the Find My features: your iPhone, Mac, or any computer that can go online and use the iCloud.com website. It's important to note that the Find My app and the other methods to find your Apple Watch electronically do require your Apple Watch to have battery power and a data connection, whether it be Wi-Fi, cellular, or Bluetooth. If the battery is dead or is not connected to the internet or your iPhone through Bluetooth, the Find My app will only be able to show you the last known location of your Apple Watch. So if your Apple Watch is turned off or the battery is dead, it will not be able to show you the live location of your Apple Watch. In that scenario, the only way to find it would be the old-fashioned way, using your eyes, or possibly your hands down the sides of the couch cushions. Are there any tricks you use to find your Apple Watch that I didn't mention? If so, please share them with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech videos, including tech how-tos. See you in the next one! Hey everybody! Welcome to my short video about how to share your Apple Watch face. In this video, I'll show you how to both share and receive Apple Watch faces. Please note that you'll need to be running watchOS 7 or newer to use this feature. Now let's get to it. You can share an Apple Watch face directly from your Apple Watch itself or the Watch app on your iPhone. Let's start with how to share your Apple Watch face directly from your Apple Watch. First, load the Apple Watch face you want to share. It will need to be the active or current Apple Watch face. Touch and hold the display like a long press. Then tap the Share Sheet button in the bottom left. This will bring up the Messages app on your Apple Watch. Now you can choose a contact or the desired recipient. The next option that shows you the name of the watch face you're sharing allows you to select or deselect any of the complications on the watch face. So if there is a specific complication on the watch face you don't want to send, tap the watch face name, scroll through the list of complications, and tap Don't Include. Remember that when you share a watch face, it doesn't share any personal information from the complications, so your privacy is protected. Under that, you can input whatever associated message you'd like to send, if any, and then once that's composed, you simply press the Send button. It's really quite simple. Like I said earlier, you can also share watch faces from the Watch app on your iPhone. From the main My Watch tab, you can long press the watch face in the My Faces section that you want to share and choose the Share Watch Face button. This will bring up the share sheet and provide you with more options than the Apple Watch offers to share the watch face through a link. You can use any messenger app, send it through an email, or even airdrop it. The second way you can share the watch face through the Apple Watch app is by using the Share Sheet button in the upper right corner when you are in the screen that lets you edit the watch face from your iPhone. Receiving a watch face is quite simple. On your Apple Watch, when you receive the watch face link from a message, just tap the link. It will bring up the screen to preview the watch face. If you want it on your watch, just press the Add button and it will be added to your watch and made your current watch face. Additionally, it's quite simple from your iPhone as well. Just tap on the link from the receiving message to bring up the preview screen. To accept it, just tap the Add to My Faces button at the bottom. That will accept the face and make it the current watch face on your Apple Watch. Sharing your Apple Watch face is so simple now. It's a great feature that I found quite handy between my friends with Apple Watches. Do you like to share your Apple Watch faces? Tell us how you use that feature in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.